Welcome to the Ultimate Math Gauntlet. Look at this expression on the screen. 8 divided by 1 plus 1 squared times 2. It looks like basic elementary school math, doesn't it? Just a few small numbers. Well, spoiler alert. The answer is not 1. How is that possible? The answer is not 1? What? I know, you might be scratching your head right now. Or maybe you're thinking the real answer involves some insane complicated fraction or a wild exponent trick. It really doesn't. Welcome to Level 1, the trap. Let's break down exactly where most people go wrong and why this seemingly innocent problem destroys calculators. First, most people see the 1 plus 1 inside the parentheses and confidently add them together to get 2. So far, so good. Then they see the exponent. They evaluate 2 squared and get 4. Still doing great. But here is exactly where the trap snaps shut. People see that 4 and the 2 at the very end, and they instinctively multiply them together to get 8. That leaves them with 8 divided by 8, which results in 1. It makes perfect logical sense, right? Wrong! This is mathematically illegal. You've just broken a fundamental law of arithmetic. But hey, making mistakes is part of the journey. Remember, a mistake is just proof that you are actually trying. Let's fix it. Welcome to Level 2, the right path. When looking at a math problem, it's easy to panic. Okay, do I multiply first, or add, or this or that? All right, it's time for a new weapon. PEMDAS. PEMDAS is the ultimate roadmap to cure mathematical chaos. It stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. Think of it as a strict checklist you must follow. For grouping symbols, always work from the inside out. Parentheses first, then square brackets, then curly braces. Next comes the exponents, like 3 squared or square roots. You have to handle those before you touch any standard arithmetic. Now, here is the exact rule that trips up 90% of people: multiplication and division. Listen closely. They hold equal priority. Just because M comes before D in the acronym doesn't mean you multiply first. You must solve them strictly from left to right. Take 80 divided by 8 times 10. If you multiply first, you get 1, which is completely wrong. Scanning left to right, 80 divided by 8 is 10, and 10 times 10 gives you the true answer, 100. The exact same left to right rule applies to addition and subtraction. Look at 20 minus 4 plus 14. If you add the 4 and 14 first, you get 20 minus 18, which is 2. Incorrect. Moving left to right, 20 minus 4 is 16, and 16 plus 14 equals 30. Now that you are armed with the actual rules, let's reevaluate our original problem. We start with 8 divided by 1 plus 1 squared times 2. Step 1. Clear the parentheses. 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Step 2. Handle the exponent. 2 squared gives us 4. Our expression simplifies nicely down to 8 divided by 4 times 2. Step 3. Because division and multiplication are tied in priority, we read the equation like a book, left to right. First up, 8 divided by 4 is 2. And finally, 2 times 2 gives us the mathematically flawless final answer of 4. A strong foundation makes the heaviest structures stand tall. You are now ready for the next challenge. Welcome to Level 3, the power chamber. Here is our new expression, 2 times 3 plus 4 squared divided by 2. Can you solve it? Stick to your PEMDAS training. Parentheses first. Inside the parentheses, we have 3 plus 4, which equals 7. That leaves us with 2 times 7 squared divided by 2. Next up on the checklist, exponents. 7 squared is 49. Our equation is now just 2 times 49 divided by 2. Multiplication and division are tied, so once again, left to right. 2 times 49 is 98. Finally, 98 divided by 2 brings us to our final answer of 49. Power isn't about rushing, it's about following the right sequence. Welcome to Level 4, the fourth gate. Things are getting a bit longer now. 48 divided by 2 plus 2 squared, times 4 minus 3. Don't panic, just follow the steps. Can you solve this one? Parentheses first. 2 plus 2 is 4. Next, we attack the exponent, 4 squared. That gives us 16. The expression falls to 48 divided by 16 times 4 minus 3. Consistency is what turns a good problem solver into a great one. Let's keep moving. Warning! You have reached the boss level. Final challenge. Brace yourselves for this multi-layered monster. 257 minus 8 minus 6 to the power of 15 minus 12 to the second power, divided by 2. Can you solve it before I do? We have exponents within exponents. Always start with the highest innermost layer. Inside that tiny parenthesis in the sky, 15 minus 12 equals 3. That leaves us with 3 squared in the exponent position. Evaluating 3 squared gives us 9. So our main expression drops down to 257 minus 8 minus 6 to the power of 9 divided by 2. Now, we simplify the main base parenthesis. 8 minus 6 is 2, giving us 2 to the power of 9. Through the magic of exponent scaling for our final calculation, this term evaluates down, so we are dealing with a clean 512. The expression simplifies to 257 minus 512 divided by 2. Subtraction or division? Division always wins. 512 divided by 2 is 256. Finally, 257 minus 256 leaves us with exactly 1. Don't let complexity intimidate you. Every giant problem is just a bunch of small problems strung together. Evaluation complete. How many levels did you conquer? Before we check your rank, let me give you the ultimate practice problem. You can definitely handle it now. 144 divided by 3 plus 3 squared minus 20 to the power of 1/2 times 1 over 4 plus 5. Let's check your rank now. Count your scores and put it in the comments below. Here is how you stack up. If you got 0 to 1 right, you are a rookie. But hey, don't worry, everybody's got to start somewhere. Just save this video to practice again next week. If you scored 2 or 3, you are an apprentice. You've got the basics down. Now it's just about sharpening that focus and taking your time. If you got 4 right, you are a logic master. A single misstep kept you from perfection, but your analytical skills are absolutely top tier. And if you got a flawless 5 out of 5, congratulations. You are a PEMDAS god. You have officially leveled up and beaten the algorithm. Drop your rank in the comments, hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more mind-bending math battles. I'll see you in the next one.